Starting in SOLIDWORKS 2024, we can display units for cut list properties. In this cut list table, there's a column for weight and length. I'd like to see the units listed. Here's the weight. Units are available when the type is set to text. Click in the value column and select the units we want. The length is grayed out because it's linked, and we need to unlink it before we can modify it. It's important to know that it's not losing the link. It's just giving us the ability to modify this value. And we add units just like we did before. I'll do the same thing to the other cut list item. Here are the units displayed in the drawing. By the way, we can also add units for file properties, and it works the same way. Thank you.